Today's video, F150 Ford. We'll be working on this right here. That right there, that's what we're working on. That's the tensioner pulley arm. That's the tensioner pulley arm, you guys. It's an arm from Ford. It's 5.0. See the belt off right here. The belt. It's a belt, brand new belt. We're gonna change this tensioner pulley right here. You're gonna need a Torx, which is a T45. Under the T45 Torx to be able to do that. It'll probably run you probably about 20 bucks to get one of those, but I'm gonna take that big screw out right there. That thing pop out, but when you put it back, it has to be aligned with that little button thing right there. See that down in there? I'm gonna go back out, pan out, see that little lip right here. When you put that thing back on, it has to be aligned right there. If not, you're gonna have an issue every time. Alright, I'll get back to the next video when I put it back on. Like, subscribe, comment.